Ms. Livingston, you've petitioned this court for a DNA test on your 21-month-old daughter, Jordan, to prove to your now ex-husband, Mr. Livingston, that he is not Jordan's biological father. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Livingston, you claim that the only reason your ex-wife is denying you are the father is because she desperately wants to have a relationship with her ex-boyfriend, Mr. Dorschlag, the man your ex-wife claims to be Jordan's biological father.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, you're here today to prove that you are indeed Jordan's father.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Dorschlag is waiting in the hallway, and we will hear from him shortly. So, Ms. Livingston, why are you so adamant that Mr. Livingston is not your daughter's biological father?
Around the time of conception, I had sex with another man.
You did?
Yes, Your Honor.
But did you also have sex with Mr. Livingston?
Yes, Your Honor.
So why is it you believe that the other man is your child's father and not Mr. Livingston?
My daughter, when she was born, she looked a lot like Mr. Livingston. She had dark hair and, you know, she had some of his facial features, but as she got older, she got blonde hair. Neither Mr. Livingston nor I have blonde hair, but Mr. Dorschlag does.
Though.
She started to look a lot like Mr. Dorschlag.
And so, Mr. Livingston, you say today that this is your biological child.
Yes, Your Honor.
Why are you so sure?
Because I was there through all of it. I was there through the doctor's appointments. I was there through the birth. Everything about that kid looks like me.
So take me back. When you found out you were pregnant, who did you tell, Ms. Livingston?
I told Mr. Livingston because we were seeing each other. We had just gotten engaged right before I found out I was pregnant. Like 2 weeks before I found out I was pregnant, we had gotten engaged. He proposed to me with my class graduation ring. And then I had a dream that I was pregnant. And I told him, like, I think I'm pregnant. She's like, Jay, you're probably not pregnant. Stress can cause, you know, symptoms.
And so ultimately you did find out you were
The
pregnant.
next day I found out I was expecting. I went to the health department that morning. I was like, I want to go to the health department. I want to find out for sure. And we found out we were 4.5 weeks pregnant.
4.5 weeks?
I looked at the
Didn't
pregnancy test
notice
and she
it.
told me it was positive, and I was like, I knew it.
And so, was it a happy moment?
It was.
crazy.
I was excited. I've always wanted to be a mother, and I was excited to be a mom.
And then in that moment, did you also think about the other potential father?
No, because at the time I wasn't thinking that there was a possibility that he could be the father because it was one time.
Why do we think it now?
And so, Mr. Livingston, are you on the baby's birth
Look at him
certificate?
stressing.
Yes, Your Honor.
You are.
I've been told I was the baby's father from the very first day that we found out she was pregnant.
And you were with her throughout the pregnancy?
Yes, Your Honor.
You went to the doctor's appointment?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you were
Who's
there
it
when the
gonna
baby
be,
was
God?
born?
Yes, Your Honor. I was out in the lobby room because...
These results were prepared by
Results,
DNA
guys, the
Diagnostics,
results.
and they read as follows. In the case of Livingston versus Livingston Dorschlag, pertaining to 21-month-old Jordan Livingston, and whether Mr. Livingston or Mr. Dorschlag
Who's it gonna
is
be?
the biological father, it has been determined by this court. Her biological father is
Livingston.
Mr.
Okay.
Livingston.
Like I said, I didn't know for sure. I just wanted to know for sure.
I expected
And I
it, though.
told
I
Mr.
expected
Dorschlag
it
I didn't
to
know
be
for
him.
sure. I said that sometimes I see similarities,
He
but
was
more
too
I
sure
see
about it.
similarities to him, and that's why I'm confused. I don't know where she got her blonde hair from.
I told everybody that daughter would be mine, even if she wasn't proven to be mine.
And like
I
I
would
just
still
said-
step up and take care of her.
As a
Any
real man,
kid can
he
have
still
any
step
color
up.
of hair.
Like
Any
a
color
real
of
guy
hair,
should
it's
do.
in your DNA.
Are you two divorced or still married?
We are divorced
You are.
as of May 26th of 2015.
Okay.
We were finalized.
Okay. Well, listen. So now you understand you have 2 children together.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have to co-parent. And you want to be as involved as you possibly can.
Yes, Your Honor.
Livingston. Ultimately, you all are going to have to communicate. You are going to have to work together. So communication, cooperation, and commitment. Meaning sometimes it will not be easy, but you have to say to yourselves, to make sure these children have the life they
for the
want in the
better for the
relationship
kids, you know?
with both parents that I think you both want them to have.
Subscribe for more,
You're gonna
guys.
have to work
Subscribe for
together.
more. Like,
My
the
family has
story.
stated through all of this that even if Jordan is always be